Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the word problems in chapter 5 time. Okay, now let us see the word problems in that chapter. See, the first one given sum is the Krishna goes to his village. He travels 4 hours 35 minutes in bus. Okay, one person going to his village, he travels 4 hours 35 minutes in bus and 1 hour 55 minutes in two-wheeler. What is the total time? That is the given question. Okay ma, this is a word problem, so you must write the steps. So first write travel by bus, that is given 4 hours 35 minutes. So you have to write the separate units like this. So after that you have to write that one 4 hours in hours column 4, then 35 minutes. So the next one is, this is by bus. The next one is what? 1 hour 55 minutes in two-wheeler. The first one by bus. Next one is traveled by a two-wheeler. See the next one, two-wheeler 1 hour 55 minutes. That is 1 hour 55 minutes. Now that is the question is, what is the total time? That is a question. So you have to add the given numbers starting from the lower unit. So this is the minutes is the lower unit. So you have to add this one, 5 plus 5 here, 0, the balance one is here. 5 plus 3 plus 1, the answer is 9. Here totally 90 minutes there. So first you have to convert this one 90 minutes into hours and minutes. So you can split that minutes. Okay, 90 equal to 60 plus 30. You have to split like this. So you can convert the 60 minutes into 1 hour. You can put the carry over. So you can convert the 60 minutes into 1 hour. So put that 1 hour in the balance, okay, in horse place. Now that is that here instead of 90, what is that? 30 minutes only. Is it clear, students? Again I am telling you, just listen. First you have to select the lower units, minutes only. So you have to add this one, 5 plus 5 here 0, the balance 1. Here add this one, 90 is there. The total is 90 minutes. You can split this minutes, okay, 60 plus 30. So you can convert the 60 minutes to 1 hour. So put that 1 hour in the place, in that horse place. Now you can add the horse place, then 5, 1, 1. So the answer is 6. 6 hour 30 minutes is the final answer. This is the total time. Total time equal to, travel time equal to 6 hours 30 minutes. Again I am telling you, just listen. Krishna goes to his village. He travels 4 hours 35 minutes in bus and 1 hour 55 minutes in two-wheeler. What is the total time? That is a given question. So you have to, total is given. What is the total time? So you have to add this one. So you must write the steps: travel by bus, this one, the travel by two-wheeler. So first separate the hours and minutes column. You have to add the minutes column only, starting lower only. So you can add, means that is the answer is 90 minutes is coming. So you can split this 90, 60 plus 30. You can convert this 60 to hours. Okay, 60 minutes to 1 hour. So you can put the carry over place, then 1 hour. So now you can add the hours. So 4 plus 1 plus 1. So 6 hours 30 minutes. So the total time is 6 hours 30 minutes. Is it clear, students? Now let us see the second one ma. A school works from 9 a.m. to 4:10 p.m. The school working time is given, the 9 a.m. to 4:10 p.m. What is the total working hours of the school? Total working time they are asking. So first you have to write the steps. So you can divide the two parts of the timings, okay, morning session, next one afternoon session. So the morning session starting 9 a.m. so up to 12:45, okay. So you have to calculate that one, 9 to 12:45, that this is morning session. The next one 12:45 afternoon, 12:45 to 4:10. This is a 2 session. You have to divide like this. Okay, morning session and afternoon session. Then only you can calculate easily. So the first one, morning session equal to, then hours and minutes you have to write like this. So you can calculate this one, 9 to 4:45. So the 10, 11, 12, 3 hours 45 minutes. That is 3 hours 45 minutes. The next one, after that one, afternoon session equal to. Now let us see the next one, afternoon session. The time is starting from 12:45 up to 4:10 only. So you can calculate like this, starting from 12:45. The next one, 1:45, 1:45, 2:45, 3:45. Okay, then 3 hours. After that 10, 4:10 up to 4:10 means that is 25, balance 25 minutes. 3 hours 25 minutes. So now you have to add this one. So here 0, the balance one is here 7, here 70 minutes. So you can divide, split this one. Okay, 60 plus 10. So you can convert this one 1 hour here, the balance 10 minutes. So the minutes place is 10 only. Okay, so here you have to add 3 plus 3, 6, 7 hours 10 minutes. Is it clear, students? Again I am telling, a school works from 9 a.m. to 4:10 p.m. What is the working hours of the school? So you have to divide into 2 session. Okay, morning session only, then second one afternoon session. So 9 to 12:45, then 12:45 to 4:10. So first calculate this one, 9 to 12:45. After this 9, 10, 11, 12, 3 hours, then 45 minutes. Morning session over. The next one 12:45 to 4:10. So afternoon session starting from 12:45, then 1:45, 2:45, 3:45, 3 hours. The balance minutes is 25 minutes. So you can add this one, minutes place 0, 5 plus 5, here 0, the balance 1, here 7, 70 minutes. So as usual you can split this, 60 plus 10. Okay, here 60 plus 10. Convert the 60 minutes into 1 hour. So you can put the balance 1 is here. So you have to add this one, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 hours 10 minutes. This is the total time, total working time. Is it clear, students?